Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Best wishes for all of us and greetings of good health always. In this lecture, I'm going to discuss about the English Morphosyntax lecture for the fifth semester students of English Education Study Program, Islamic Institute of Asanuddin Pare Kediri. And this course aims to understand the relationship between morphology and syntax. Okay, morphology and syntax are part of the microlinguistic that we need to study before we study about the components of English, such as vocabulary and grammar. And the first one, let's discuss about morphology. What is morphology? Morphology means the study of what structure and formation, as well as deals with the morphemes. Morphemes are the smallest units of meaning. Okay, let's see the examples. The first, unhappy. Okay, there is a prefix an and base happy. An as the prefix and has the function in the linguistic morphology is the morpheme. And the next one is playing with the base play added with the suffix ing. Ing is the suffix as it is kind of morpheme. Okay, and the next discussion, okay, let's talk about syntax. Okay, what is syntax? Syntax means a study of sentence structure and word order, as well as how words combine to form phrases and clauses. Before we study about the grammatical English or grammar, we need to understand one of the microlinguistics, that is syntax. As the example given, the cat catches the fish. Okay, the cat is the noun phrase which consists of two word classes. The first class is an article the, and the next one is cat is a noun and has the function in the syntactical rule as the subject. And the next one is catches. Catches is a verb, and there is a suffix s or the morpheme, which means as the verb agreement with the verb one ses. And the next one is the fish. The fish is the noun phrase which consists of article the and noun fish and has the function as an object in the syntactical rule. Okay. And now let's see what is morphosyntax. Morphosyntax is the interaction of morphology and syntax. And to explore how word form affects the sentence structure. Okay, let's see the examples. The first example is he runs. Okay, in the first sentence consists of verb plus tense marker and the verb run added with the suffix s because there is subject agreement he. And the second example or the second sentence is they run. Okay, the verb run without added with the suffix s because there is a subject agreement they. The next discussion is the key areas of morphosyntax. And the first key area is inflectional morphology. And here are the examples of the inflectional morphology. Okay, and the first one is cat becomes cats. Okay, because more than one cat, there is a suffix s or added with suffix s, which signs with the plural form. And the next one is John become Johns. Okay, there is an apostrophe s, it signs the possessive pronoun. And the next one is walk becomes walked. Okay, there is a suffix ed which signs that from simple present or present tense verb one becomes past form. Okay, and the next one is run becomes running. There is a suffix ing which signs with the progressive aspect. And the next one is fast becomes faster. It signs with the comparative degree, and fast becomes fastest with the suffix est, which signs the superlative degree. The second key area of morphosyntax is derivational morphology, which means changing word class and or meaning. And let's see several examples. The first one is happy becomes unhappy. Okay, un adds as a negative meaning. This prefix ans means negative meaning. So from happy and unhappy, there is a change of meaning. And the second one, teach becomes teacher. Okay, there is a suffix er change verb with nouns. Okay, and the next one, kind to kindness. Okay, there is a suffix ness in which kind is an adjective and kindness is a noun. So there is a change of the word class. And the next one is from nation, national, and nationality. All it change meaning and class, or there is a change of the meaning and the word class. The third key area of morphosyntax is sentence construction. The first one is morphological part or morphology, as the example of the sentence, she walks to school every day. See here in the word class as the pronoun, and it marks as the subject in the sentence. And the next one is walk, added with the suffix s. S here is the inflectional morphem, because there is a subject agreement she, for because she is the third person or the third person singular present. And the next word is to is a preposition in a word class, and school is a noun. Every day, every in the word class is determiner, and day is a noun. The second part of sentence construction is the syntactical part or syntax. Okay, as the examples, the first is subject plus verb plus complement and plus adverbial. As the example, she walks to school every day. She as the subject, walks as the verb, to school as the complement, and every day is adverbial. Okay, and the next, why is morphosyntax important to learn? Okay, important for the students of the secondaries, either for the secondary schools or in a higher school or in university students. Okay, the first one, to help understand grammar rules deeply. Okay, we need to understand grammar, especially grammatical English, to arrange the sentence correctly, because the target of the communicative skills is to speak or to write English grammatically. And the second one is to improve language teaching. And before the students study for basic English communication skills like listening, speaking, reading, and writing, and the components of English like vocabulary, pronunciation, and grammar, they need to understand several microlinguistics as morphology and syntax, in which morphology, how to arrange the words and word formation, and in the syntax, how to arrange the sentence or sentence construction. Okay, and the next is, why is morphosyntax important? It is crucial for linguistic and language analysis. We learn English, not only we study and learn about English communication skill, but how to learn about the linguistic part, as in the microlinguistics and macrolinguistics, and also the components of English or linguistic skills as the vocabulary, pronunciation, and the grammar. And the last one, why is morphosyntax important, is to support better writing and speaking skills. Writing and speaking are the important parts of communicative skills because the outcome of the EFL learners or the English learners, especially for Indonesian students, is how to speak and write English grammatically. I think this is it about the material of the relationship between morphology and syntax. See you in the next video and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.